Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I did this summery golden bronzy look with a pop of color in it using my Kat Von D liquid lipstick and Outlaw right here. I use this Too Faced chocolate bar palette as well. I use both of them. This is going to be one of my first love, like makeup edition, like the stuff that I really gravitated towards when I first got into makeup. And these Too Faced palettes was definitely my first palettes that I purchased. You know, the chocolate bar palette came out first, and then the semi-sweet palette came out, and I purchased both of them because I was like so hyped and excited. And I think YouTube made me do it a little bit too because they was hyping it up. A year or two into, like, you know, playing in makeup, I find that I don't grab these palettes that much, even though this is my color range. Like, I love neutral, browns, gold, warms, reds, orange. Like, all that is my color range, but I don't see myself grabbing these two palettes. Things that I notice now that I think I will never like buy Too Faced palettes if they're anything like these chocolate bar palettes. I'm not sure, guys. Let me know, because with the colors in these chocolate bar palettes, they really don't have good pigmentation. They're really chalky and powdery. It takes a while to like blend these shadows out and get it to where you want it to be. With the shimmery shades, when you wet the brush, they do get patchy, and you just got to keep blending and blending. With my brown shades and even like my burnt orange shades, like, it really didn't show up on my skin tone. And these palettes came out like around, like, I want to say a couple months away from each other. And the first palette, that orangey brown shade, is so chalky. I could not do anything with it. It doesn't really show up on my skin tone. And then Peanut Butter, that I thought was better at the time, it really doesn't show up on me either. So I will be like going through my makeup and giving stuff away, especially stuff that I don't use anymore. But these are definitely two things that I fell in love with when I first got into makeup. And I just wanted to do a little, like, you know, bye-bye, rest in peace tutorial with these two, because I really don't grab for these. It really don't do anything for me. The color payoff is not really good now that I'm, you know, into makeup like a little bit more. So I probably will be giving these away. So I went with my Ride or Die, you know, my Maybelline Fit Me and my L'Oreal Infallible. I mixed the two together. I get this right here. I love it. It's full coverage. It's inexpensive. These two foundations are really good. I use these a lot. And I always grab for them. Now, the Maybelline by itself, like, I do come off a little orange, and you know that I'm like a NC50. I'm like a Cover FX N90, N100. So I do mix it with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in 355, because this is a little bit more yellow, and I like my foundations to gravitate more towards the yellow side or olive side, because I got like golden undertones. And for my lips, like I said, I went in with my Outlaw, my Kat Von D. Like, I'm not even wearing my liquid lipsticks like that, guys. Like, I don't even know what's wrong with me. So, you know, Kat Von D is infamous for her products. Like, this liquid lipstick is not going anywhere. I'm going to eat, I'm going to drink, it's going to stay on. It's not going nowhere. It's one of my favorites. And I love this red lipstick. I love the look. I love how it came out. These Lily lashes is life. I'm wearing the style Havana. These Lily lashes are really, like, I have to get into these Lily lashes. There's nothing like it. Like, I'm going from drugstore to Lily lashes, and like, I really see the difference. So guys, I'm not going to keep rambling on. If you just want to see how I got this look, guys, just keep on watching, and I'll just see you guys on the next video, guys. Bye. So guys, let's get started. So I did my eyes already, and if you want to see like a complete look on the eyes, just comment on the video and I'll do another tutorial showing you how I got the eyes. But this is like my go-to. Y'all seen me do this look before. So I'm going to prime my face and apply my foundation. And I got my ride or dies right here because you know I'm an oily girl. We're going to get everything blended out for you guys using one of my favorite foundation brushes. This is a Sephora multitasker brush. Really love this brush right here. I need to get another one because it's a really good brush. So we're just blending out our foundation, guys, and circular motions. You know, you blend out your foundation outward, and we're just going to keep, I think I put about 3 layers of foundation, or no, 2.5 probably. And I really like the coverage that it gave me and how the makeup came out and everything, guys. So this was really good. And guys, don't forget your hairline. You gotta blend that foundation into the hairline, guys. So now we're just going to conceal right here using our Tarte Shape Tape. This goddamn Tarte Shape Tape is not going anywhere. I use this shit all the time just to get rid of it, and I swear this shit is still like full. Like I'm just like, what in the hell? And I'm just trying to use this shit so I can get rid of it because Tarte is shady as shit. So we're just concealing all the areas that we want to highlight and conceal. We're blending it out with the Wet Beauty Blender, guys. And we're just going to keep blending out our concealer. Am I like the only person when I'm blending out my concealer, my arms get tired? So now we're setting our concealer with some translucent setting powder. I think this is Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. And I'm using a brush. And then we're contouring with our Fenty Beauty Matchstick and Espresso. And we're just going to blend that out. So I'm using a stippling brush to blend that out while I bake for a little bit. So now we're gonna get all that translucent setting powder off our face, and we're switching up brushes because each brush gave me a problem. This brush right here is trash. I need to throw it out. It gets all these little hairs on my face, and it's not moving the powder off. So this is the last time. Rest in peace to this brush. This is the last time you will see it. I'm just disgusted. And then you will see me go in with one of my BH Cosmetics brush, and it's a small rounded brush, and it really gets into my under eye and gets that translucent powder moving, and I really like that brush. Yeah, it came with the It's My Ray Ray collection. So I'm going to set my contour, guys. I'm using the Shea Moisture Mandalay Dust, and I'm just going to set my contour. Every place where I put that Fenty Beauty Matchstick at, I'm going to use that and just set. And then we're going to go in with our MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark. And we're just going to set all the places that we need to with powder. Any place that we didn't set with powder, we're just going to set. We're going to set our face, and I really went overboard with setting my face. And so now I'm just like going back over my face with a Wet Beauty Blender because I feel like my foundation is moving a little bit and on my forehead. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm like, what is going on? Maybe I really went overboard with that Fix Plus. So I figured I'll go in with like a wet beauty blender and I'll try to like fix it up a little bit. And because I'm really not liking how my forehead look, it looks patchy. So the beauty blender wasn't really helping me out, so I went back over it with my foundation brush lightly, and that like fixed the problem a little bit. And it's only like the forehead, but you know, I had to just go touch up everything. So now we're just going to finish our eyes, and you know we're using our chocolate bar palettes, and we're just going to shade in our under eye with that dark shade that we had in our transition, used as a transition color. We're putting on mascara to our bottom lashes. And then we're going to highlight so we can be sparkly as fuck. So we're highlighting our forehead, our cheeks. And then we're just blending the highlighter into our skin a little bit more so it doesn't look patchy. I like this, like going over my highlight with a beauty blender. So now we're going in with some blush. I think this was limited edition. This was one of the MAC's collaborations, or you know, collections. And it's like a peachy and pink blush mixed together. I just mixed the two shades together and go in. I'm going in with a Kat Von D liquid lipstick in Outlaw, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lip, guys. And I'm already had my lashes on, and this is a completed look, guys. Like we're coming down to the home stretch here. Kat Von D formula is like one of my favorite liquid lipsticks too, guys. I don't know if I told you that. Kat Von D Color Rain and Huda Beauty is one of my favorite liquid lipsticks formulas. So we're just getting that together. And guys, I want to say thank you for watching my videos and the continued support. I know I've really been like all over the place with making videos, but you know, you're a part of the fam, and I'm going to get more consistent. This is the finished look, guys, and I really hope you like it. I love this like bronzy look and this red lip. And I would have to say rest in peace to my Too Faced palette, because I don't really grab for them anymore, and it's just time for some new shit. So see you soon, guys, on the next tutorial.